You playing in the bucket? Harper. Hi. Are you playing in the laundry basket? Are you playing in the laundry basket? Hi. How are ya? Are you having a fun day? You are? Is that a cool basket? Oh, sit down. Yeah. Do you want one of your toys in there? Here you go. It's inside the bucket. You got it. Harper. Peekaboo. 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 It's the end of January, and soon you will be 8 months old. Yeah, you will. Soon enough. What's down there? What do you see? Oh, you're getting so big, Bonk. You okay? Are you trying to figure out how to get that toy and stand up? I love you.